folks, several of you have been requesting a dirt bike or motorcycle video, so I figured I'd give you a little update on this guy. This is a 1977 Yamaha IT 400 that I had bored, had an oversized piston put in, and we're sitting at right around 230 miles since the rebuild. It hasn't ever run quite right. I was a little disappointed with the machine shop. I took it to a car machine shop, so that might have been my first mistake. I've had them do a lot of work for me in the past. They've been absolutely phenomenal. But I felt like the piston was just a tad loose. It fit good, it looked good. I put it together and it ran, but it didn't run quite like I thought it should. A little down on power. Part of that has to do with a head gasket that's not sealing. So this has a, you can kind of see, let's see if I can find a spot, it's like right there. It looks like it's been leaking. It's blatantly obvious when you look at the head. So there's the head. You can see all this gunk here by my thumb. The head looks pretty good. I'm going to do some checking with a straight edge on both the head to make sure the head isn't warped, and also the cylinder. So I'm going to flip my camera around. Alright, so you can see the scoring in the cylinder. It's not deep. I can't even feel it with my fingernail. But it's obviously definitely there. And you can see it's been leaking very bad on this side. So I'm having some thoughts. I think, there's nothing that the ring could get snagged on when I pulled the piston off. You can also, if I get in here close enough, you can see the rings are worn. Just kind of burned right on those points. So I'm wondering if, because this is where I feel like it was leaking, the head gasket was leaking the most. So I'm wondering if it was sucking a little too much air in there, and that was making it run really lean, so it got hot in this spot and it started to do some of this damage. Again, I can't feel that. I think that's just schmutz from the rings. The rings seem to have taken all of the damage. So, we'll see what we do here. I know the bike hasn't... Anyways, my plan of action on this one, because it's my rider. Been riding it a fair bit. The last couple of months I sold my big KTM. I have a brand new bike on order. If I can get this beast sold, if you're interested in buying a really awesome Power Stroke crew cab, hit me up. When that gets sold, I'm still waiting. It has to get shipped. I ordered a 2021 Yamaha T7, the Tenere 700. Excited about that. But in the meantime, this is the one I've been riding on the road. It's plated, titled street legal minus signals and stuff like that. But we have a small issue. So my plan of action for now is to pull the piston off, own the cylinder, order some new rings and gaskets, check for a warped head, see about a piston, go from there, and we'll see if I can get her back on the road for now. That's the plan. Future projects, man, they're all over the place. Wish I had more time to work on this stuff, but it's been a busy summer. Don't forget, you can still order hats, stickers. I am still hoping, or planning, not just hoping, planning on pulling the mini bike in and starting on that for the giveaway. So stay tuned.